Hoover Vacuum just joined the TikTok shop, so I had to pick up two of their best vacuums. This one is the Clean Slate cordless vacuum, which should be very powerful, and it should be able to remove stains. Now for the larger vacuum, I went with the Smartwash Plus, which should be a very powerful and deep cleaning vacuum for my carpet. I'll be making a lot of videos about these two vacuums that I have here, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. And if you want to check these out as well for yourself, I will have them tagged in the bottom left of this video. I think this one might be out of stock right now, but I'll tag it as soon as it comes back in stock. And if you want to stay up to date with all the vacuum videos that are coming up, definitely hit follow for more.